magic ring. I'm using a 3-ply yarn here, and I'm using a 3 mm hook. Now we will take the tail end, grab it and wrap the finger with the working yarn. Grab it with the finger, don't lose the working yarn as well. Now we have got 2 strings on our finger. The front loop is the tail end and the back one is the working yarn. We will insert the hook beneath the first loop, the front loop, and pull the working yarn from beneath. Yarn over and pull through the loop that we have made, and it's a knot. We will slowly take out the ring from our finger. And this is our magic ring.